Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Facebook app not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to go back and just check your internet. So just if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. After you can try to open cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write here Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and goodbye.